In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create operations dashboard in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a simple live tracker powering a clean control room view so you can see workload, overdue items, and where things are stuck at a glance. Start by opening a new Google Sheet and creating a tab named OpsLog. This is your live tracker, the back end. In the first row, add headers from left to right, item or task, assigned to, status, due date, and days open. Now enter a few representative rows so the dashboard has something to read. For example, you might log a membership dues follow-up, a lab analysis, and a short video edit. Use clear assignees or roles, set realistic statuses like pending, in progress, or stuck, and include due dates in a consistent date format. In the days open column, calculate how long each item has been active. A simple approach is to enter a formula like equals today minus the date you started tracking that item, adjusting the cell reference to match your sheet. Format the result as a number. If you don't track a start date, you can leave days open blank for now. To avoid typos that break the dashboard, consider adding a drop-down list for status with options such as pending, in progress, stuck, and done, and keep the word done exactly as written here. Next, create a new tab and name it Control Room. This is your dashboard. In a clear area, add a label such as total open items, and to the right of it, enter the formula xcountif opslog cc done. This counts every row in the status column that is not marked done, giving you your current workload. Below that, add overdue tasks and enter task countifs opslog cc done opslog dd and today. This looks at items that are not done and have a due date earlier than today. If you work across time zones, remember Google Sheets evaluates today based on your spreadsheet's locale. Then add stuck items and enter ops countif opslog cc stuck. This highlights where you may need to step in, run a quick unblock, or reassign. At this point, your dashboard is live. As you update status and due date in OpsLog, the control room numbers refresh automatically. Keep your status spelling consistent, review overdue items daily, and use clear task names so patterns are obvious. That's all you need to build a reliable operations dashboard in Google Sheets.